What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to do a quick tutorial on how to make one of these professional looking bows. If you are photographing any items that have bows for your listings, this would be a good tip to use. Let's go check how to do that out now. You want to make a regular knot. You want to take the bottom. You have a top and a bottom. You want to take the bottom and you want to take the top and loop it over and around, and you want to pull it through. And then you want to just adjust it. So I feel like that just looks a lot more professional with your photos. So that's how you make a perfect bow.